Hi, today I've read of your OnePlus 11 and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So let's just first open the box. So this is the first paper box. Let's just check it. Here we can find only some paperwork, just the logo of the OnePlus device, some stickers, and here we can see the charger brick, and this is the USB cable. So unfortunately we have not here any earbuds, and if you want to use them with your OnePlus device, you should buy them separately. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.